Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Windows resource protection could not start the repair service error in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So here I am on a Windows 11 system. I'll just click on the search icon and search for command prompt or CMD. From search results, I can see command prompt is here. If I click on run as administrator, I got this user account control confirmation prompt. I'll just click on the yes button in that, and here we have the command prompt. Now when I try to execute sfc /scan now command by typing that and pressing the enter key, here you can see that we have Windows resource protection could not start the repair service. Since you are seeing this video, I hope you are also seeing the same exact error and looking forward to resolve this problem. So here we have different solutions to fix this problem. The first solution is here. Simply do a right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type services.msc and click run or press the enter key. Once the services window opens, scroll down and locate Windows Modules Installer Service. Here you can see that on my system it is disabled. Just double click on it to launch its property sheet. Now in the property sheet, we have to first set the startup type to either automatic or manual. In this case, I am setting it to manual and click apply. And you can see that the service status is also stopped. So you have to start the service as well. So I'll just hit the start button. And you can see that now the service is running and the startup type is manual. Just click OK. You can now close the services window and retry with the sfc scan now command. So now again I'm trying the sfc scan now command in command prompt, the administrative command prompt, and here you can see that this time it is working without any errors. And we have here beginning system scan. This process will take some time, and the sfc scan now command is working as usual. So in this way the issue is resolved. In case if you are still facing the issue, here we have solution number 2. In case if you can't initiate the service from services snap-in, you can use the command prompt. So simply open the administrative command prompt and paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. You will get change service config success as a desired result. After this, try the next command, which you can also paste from the video description, and press the enter key, and this will allow the Windows Module Installer service to start. And here it started successfully. Now we can again retry with the sfc scan now command and it should work. Then we have solution number 3. The main purpose of using sfc scan now command is to fix corruption with system files. Since you are not able to use sfc scan now, you can try the alternative command, and that is dism command. Simply open the command prompt as administrator, and in the command prompt window, paste this command from the video description. The dism command is more advanced than sfc scan now command, and it will help you to repair the Windows image and ultimately leading to fixing the massive system file corruption. So you can try the dism command as an alternative, and that should work. Make sure you let it to complete to 100%. And finally we have solution number 4. In this case you can use registry to modify Windows Modules Installer Service. Simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window type regedit and press the enter key or click run. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. In the registry editor window, go to H key local machine system current control set services trusted installer. When you arrive to trusted installer registry key, in the corresponding right pane you will be able to locate start named registry dword. In this system you can see that it is set to 4. This means the Windows Modules Installer Service is disabled. The value 4 indicates this. So just double click on the start registry dword and set its value data to either 2 or 3. 2 is for automatic and 3 is for manual. In this case I am setting it to 3, but you can see that it says cannot edit start, error writing the values new contents. This error is happening because we do not have permissions to modify this start registry dword value data. To resolve this, you have to simply right click on the trusted installer registry key and select permissions. Now in the security window, you have to click on advanced. Here, if we see, we do not have the full control. So simply click on the edit button for users group and allow and check the full control and click OK. Similarly, I will do this for the administrators group. And click on the full control and select OK and click OK. So now on the system, administrators and users have the full control for this registry key. And now I will retry to modify the start value and set its value data to 3. And now you can see that I have successfully modified the value data. I can now restart the system, and after restarting the system, I can again retry sfc scan now command and it should work. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.